I don't even know how to start this video. I have been away for so long that I have no idea where to start anymore. But I guess I'll just start with saying hello. Welcome back. If you're new, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Rose, and this is my channel. But if you guys want to know more about the past year and what happened, everything that went down, just let me know in the comments below. So first things first, and I'm pretty sure you guys can tell that I actually chopped off my hair. I did it, and let's jump into the video, and I'm going to show you guys pretty much what I've been doing. Sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, I don't wear makeup, obviously, because I don't like the feeling of it rubbing off underneath my mask, since obviously that's how we're living, how we have to live nowadays, and the mask is just a permanent accessory. So it's become a permanent thing in our lives. And so I'm just going to show you guys the things that I've been doing, because obviously the mask is just like not helping on my skin. As you can tell, this side over here, it's gotten even more red. It's been a little bit more bumpy. Right here on my chin also, I get what is called maskne now. That's a thing. Who knew? But yeah, starting off with my skincare and all the steps to the makeup. I'm gonna show you guys what I do. Okay, so to start it all off with this, just prepping my skin. My skin has been incredibly dry, Sahara Desert all over on my cheeks, flaky, and it's just been horrible. And I always make sure to like moisturize like more than normal now. The Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream. This is the little travel size one, but incredible. I freaking love this cream moisturizer. Oh my god, just putting it on my face feels so incredibly moisturizing, and like my skin feels like hydrated immediately. It's like a drink of water pretty much. And I absolutely love it, and don't mind my skin that it tends to get red with even like the slightest touch, as you can tell. So I freaking love this cream. You guys gotta try it. If you guys have dry skin, honestly, bomb. You guys should definitely try that. And then after I'm done with all my steps with prepping my skin and moisturizing, make sure it's ready to go, I like to go in and use these babies right here, especially on the days that I don't want to wear makeup, but I do want that healthy looking skin glow. It's not, I wouldn't say flawless, because obviously my skin is not flawless, as you guys can tell. I've got my flaws. It is the Glow Recipe, and I've shared this a couple times on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me there, you should. It's the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. These are amazing, and you can use this in like 3 different ways. You can either put it on after like you're done with your prepping of the skin, your skincare routine, and use this as the last step for that healthy glow. And then you can also even mix it in with your foundation, which is great because it doesn't leave an oily, greasy feeling. It's kind of strange though. Like your skin looks, I wouldn't say oily, but glowy, but it's not oily, which is cool. And I love that because who likes being oily? I don't. And you can also, once you're done with your makeup, and you can apply just dab it on as a highlighter. This is beautiful as a highlighter. It just has a natural glow to it. It's beautiful. And also from Glow Recipe, I want to share this Ultra fine mist and really is super fine. Smells like watermelon, which is probably the only thing I'm kind of weird with, like, scents. I don't like any scented stuff. Oh, I just spit right there. I don't like any scented, like, strong scents. And then this watermelon, obviously, it's like, what is it? What's the word? Ah! Artificial! Gosh, I can't even think. What else is new? The artificial watermelon scent. I don't like it. It's not super strong, but for me, I just don't like that artificial watermelon scent. The actual product itself, bomb. 10 out of 10. Very good. I definitely recommend this, you guys, and I recommend the Dew Drops together. With the foundation, I've been mixing it with my, where did my concealer go? What the? I just had it here. I'm not wearing my glasses, so can't see a thing. Oh my goodness. Like I said, I'm not wearing my glasses, so I really can't see a thing. Anyway, with the foundation, like I was saying, I've been mixing it with my concealer because and I want to say all of the foundations that I currently have are too dark for me, and obviously I am pale because obviously there's been no sun, and they're literally all my summer shades. So going in with this one, which I think might be the lightest one that I have, but I also mix it. Oh look, 2 e.l.f. products. I didn't think about that. This is the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation, which I have used before on my channel. And this is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camel Concealer / Satin Finish. Okay, these two, mixing it together in my little petri dish, like so. Oh my god. Of course, I would be the one to spill concealer on my brand new sweatpants. Alright, so it's all blended, and as you guys can see, my skin is still peeking through, and that's fine. I'm okay with it. As lately, I've just been dusting over this bronzer, Hula Light. This one right here, it's been very well loved. I've had this one for quite some time, and I just feel it gives me like an overall nice bronze to my face, and kind of almost matches my skin. All right, so I'm gonna go back to the Cheek Parade palette. It's got tons of beautiful blushes right here, and lately I've been using the California one. It's got a nice sheen to it, so I really like that right now. You know, kind of we're going for the glowy vibe nowadays. Let's fix this because I look ridiculous right now. Alright guys, I think I minimized that as best as I could. I went a little heavy-handed on the blush, thinking that it was not as pigmented. Alright, so here's the thing. You guys only need one, like, micro pump of this, because really you don't need a lot of it. So let's see if I don't make another mistake here. Okay. Tiny bit. Ooh, like half a pump. That's really all you need for both cheeks, and anywhere else really where you want to highlight. All right, so we interrupt this segment to bring on a little guest today. You might have seen her in a couple of my other videos, I think. Yeah. Come on in.
Hi, everyone. So because of my hair.
We got baby Julie here. It's not so baby anymore.
Meow. I like his one.
What's his name?
I call him Mittens.
Mittens.
Because
like the black cat in Bolt.
Yeah.
Mittens.
And then we could put some tiny mittens on him.
Oh, that'd be so cute.
And then he could be wearing a coat.
A coat. I can just imagine her when we do have a cat, like a real one. Should be dressing him up, putting little.
And I put a bow on
little
him.
socks on them.
Yeah.
Meow. Okay, bye. Alright, guys. So, going back to the dewdrop on my hand. Okay. So, just very lightly. So, I'm just making sure I get an even coat on my fingertip. You are going to add this like so. Just dabbing it on. You don't want to swipe or move it around or just wipe it on there because obviously we don't want anything else underneath to move. And you can instantly tell. Look how glowy that looks. Now, you can leave it like this if you want that, you know, healthy looking glow. That's fine. If you don't want to apply highlighter, that's okay. But if you do, if you want that like highlighter from outer space kind of thing, that's fine also. And taking opalescent, so I'm just lightly dabbing it like this because I don't want a lot of it, obviously. And just applying it like so, right on top of the where I applied the dewdrops. Now, as for the eyes, I typically don't do a crazy eye look when I'm gonna go out. I just want to give my eyelids some shape, you know, just like to contour it, and that's pretty much it. And I'll probably just put a little bit of eyeliner. Most of the time I will go without the eyeliner, and I'll just curl my lashes and I'll just put mascara, and that's it. Because obviously, you know, when I'm wearing glasses, that's pretty much all I want. Like, or even if I wasn't wearing glasses. Alrighty, so the lashes are curled, and just using my all-time favorite, which is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise in the waterproof, because waterproof mascara is the only kind of mascara that can hold up my curl. All the other ones, non-waterproof ones, will wear them down, and I hate that. It's so... Oh, I forgot to show you guys. This is the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. I don't know what shade it is. It's super tiny. You can't see. Neutral brown. If I'm wearing a mask, then typically I'll just go in with like a balm or something, or chapstick, or for example, right now I'll just add the e.l.f. Ride or Die Lip Balm in Tough Cookie. This one's really good, and it really, you don't need a lot of this. Like truly, a little bit goes a long way. That's literally all I need. You guys can use you know, whatever floats your boat, whatever you prefer, whether you want a liquid lipstick instead, or you know, if you guys want to add liner to this, I mean, you can. This would be a really great balm slash like glossy looks. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it for pretty much this look that I normally wear on. What was that about? What? I can't even talk right now. Oops, I forgot the ultra fine mist. Sometimes I do go overboard with this, and that's fine because I freaking love how it feels on my face. I just don't really like the smell, but that's okay. I can get past that. Just my face already just feels so nice and hydrated, and I love the mist on that. So yeah, 10 out of 10. You guys should get that. So it seems that right now we have another guest who wants to say hello. You might have seen her in one of my previous, I was about to say channels, one of my previous videos. Come on down.
Hi.
Get in here.
Hi. My name is Gianna Marroquin, but they call me Gigi.
What? I don't understand a word you just said, and you're standing right next to me.
I said my name is Gigi, and I come.
Gigi.
Yeah, and I come inside my mom's video. Actually, 2 of them. It was the one that I was doing the makeup on my mom, and the other one about the Japanese or Chinese.
Oh, the snacks.
Yeah, the snacks.
We got to do another one of those.
Yeah, those are good.
I love
especially
Japanese snacks.
But not the yogurt.
Oh, yeah. If you guys haven't seen that video, you guys should check it out.
Yeah, it's funny too.
Okay. All right. So back to Rosemary here, signing off. I want to thank you all for tuning in. If you have tuned in, thank you. If you just stumbled across my channel and, you know, go ahead and subscribe. You can become the House of Rose family. I hope to be making more videos because I really did miss it, and I miss interacting with you guys. And as you can saw at the beginning, I was like, what do I do now? But I really hope to create more content for you guys and for myself, because honestly, I love doing this and I love editing. It's kind of weird, like soothing to me, just like editing videos and stuff like that. So again, go ahead and hit like if you liked it, subscribe. What else?
And click that bell and give her a big thumbs up.
You heard. Click that bell to get notified for all the future videos. Bye.
Bye.